Nightingale by Wayne Halfpenny. Nightingale nurse tucks hospital corners into the edges of my dreams, neat as a pin, sharp as a tack, origami, shapes, rectangle, windows, monitor, squares, and your lovely face. It must be the drugs that made me say those things. With 2 days left to the springing of winter, the reluctant fall of summer. But you, my dear, will fly right through the succulent annuals and will plot a weaving course for that remote, seduced island, where we will kiss away the sand from our eyelids and await the crossing of Euphrates. A smiling procession, Anne, Laura, Bev, Raphael, checking instruments, marking the charts. God knows what direction we are sailing. Just a good night's sleep is all I need, where the shallows of my breathing wash up on a distant shore, where our footprints will mark the golden sand for a time, a sad reminder of what was. I search for a future hazed in the sun as it sinks its bloody eye into the moon-held sea. Dancing, no longer trapped, I'll be walking out under my own steam.